Hello and welcome to a video by BuzzPods. Today we shall be unboxing the Giotek SC1 controller for the PS3. This is a custom third-party controller for the PS3. One of the only ones of this kind of quality for the PS3, as there are a lot of very bad replica controllers for the PS3, and so this is probably the best one, which also has the most high quality features and obviously more features over the standard PS3 controller. So it's made by Giotek, the people which also make grips, like analog grips and everything. It's a wireless controller designed for sports. That's due to its macro functionality. You can program a lot of the buttons. And here it says it's an ergonomic controller for PlayStation 3. So now we'll get into the box. At the front we see a very clear but good looking picture, glossy printed picture of the controller from various different angles and some cool graphics behind. If we look, let's just move this. If we look to the top, it gives you some of the features of this controller. It says 4 function buttons, turbo function, superior bumpers, front facing channel LEDs, advanced battery, dual vibration feedback and offset thumbsticks. Move to the side, got some other information in various different languages. We've got some more in-depth detail on the features of this controller, and nothing interesting on the side. So if we get into the box now, get my handy scissors, cut through this sellotape here. There we go. This should be able to just peel off. And there we go. So if we open the box, we have red packaging inside to go along with the theme of the controller, as it's mostly black and red. Nothing left in the box there. I have to say we've got some fairly nice packaging here, like no horrible like brown cardboard. We've got red cardboard, box within a box. Now let's work out how we open this. There we go. So it opens at the top here, and straight away we're presented with the controller in a wrapped in protective plastic, and instruction manual, a USB receiver which you'll plug into the PS3, and a USB charging cable, I guess that is. Yep, so that's it for the box. We'll get straight into the controller. So it's wrapped in this protective plastic to protect it from scratches and whatever might happen to it in shipping, if somehow harm gets through the packaging. It's more of an Xbox style layout in terms of the analog sticks. We have membrane keys, so we don't have any mechanical keys or anything, but similar to the PS3 ones, we've got the soft touch finish on the controller, so very comfortable in the hand. The analog sticks feel very nice. Got a decent D-pad. I'd say not as good as the PS3 D-pad, but good enough. We've got our buttons here for programming the macro keys, USB charging port. We've got Xbox style bumpers, massive improvement over the standard PS3 bumpers, as they have, and the PS3 bumpers have almost zero travel distance, which makes them terrible for driving games. And your normal shoulder buttons, they feel very soft with very little actuation force. Not sure if I like those, but that's personal opinion. Then you have your start, select and turbo button. So let's have a look at the quick start guide. Should give us some more information about the controller. So it tells you how to set set up the controller, how to get it working, how to program your keys, and looks like, hold on a sec, no, that's just my imagination. So and how to use the turbo button and everything. The turbo button, I believe, is similar to a rapid fire button in that if you have like a shotgun or something in your FPS game which requires you to press the trigger multiple times, you press the turbo button and it will continuously fire that. So anyway guys, my unboxing and first look of the Giotek SC1 sports controller for PS3. My general impressions are that feels very, very nice. With the soft touch paint, it's got a very nice design, the black and red accents. It's got some improvements over the PS3 controls. It's good that it's wireless, comes with a battery built in, nice analog sticks. The only problem I've got with this is probably the quite cheap feeling D-pad. But apart from that, this is a very, very good option as a third-party controller for the PS3 if you want the extra functionality. But do be warned that a controller like this wouldn't be allowed in tournaments such as MLG or major gaming tournaments. But definitely a very, very good buy. I'd recommend it to anyone that wants an extra edge against their opponents, or a more comfortable feel, or someone which has moved to a PS3 but doesn't necessarily like the layout of the PS3 controller and prefers the Xbox controller layout. It's very, very comfortable, rests perfectly in your hands, the shape of this controller. So yeah, thank you for watching my BuzzPods unboxing of the Giotek SC1. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel as it really helps us a lot and will keep us bringing videos like this to you. So subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from BuzzPods.